Hello friends, how are you? I hope you are fine. Today I have Hollywood movies name effect. These files for Photoshop CC. You can write your own text, you can change everything, but first you need these font, so you can download on web. These font are free. Double click and you see here the Guardian of Galaxy, Herrick, the Real, Linget, Robocop, The Amazing Spider-Man 2, Dragon 2, Captain America, Need for Speed. I think this is our game. Okay, you can change everything. Ray, Iceland, Jurassic World. Wow, these movies are my favorite. The Hobbit, favorite. X-Ray, The Ant-Man, Marvel, Thor, Civil War, Captain America, Harry Potter. These novels are my favorite. Okay, you can adjust everything. You can change color. You write your own text. Real steel. Wow. Okay, first I drag these files on Photoshop CC. Drag here, you can see here, and everything on group. You can change background color, but marble color is already red. So double click here and I write my name, but Captain America, this font needed Sheri. Regular or bold. Okay. Control S for saving, and you see here the same look like Marvel sign. Write your own name or text, etc. Change background color or double click here and apply gradients overlay. You can change everything. Okay, wow, these are awesome. Okay, here are Jurassic World. Okay, you can edit everything. Just I showed you. For example, you see here in layer area, every shape have a folder. Shine. Wow, you see here. Double click here, full editable. Oh, Jurassic Park regular. You won't need it. Jurassic Park regular. Sheri. I just tell you, for example, these files are fully editable, and you see. Control S for saving. Whoa, you write your own text here, and you can change everything. Flare. Wow. Rain effect, rain 2, shine AB2. You can adjust one by one everything. No. Okay, and last file is Harry Potter, but I have no font. Iceberg. Background, you can change your background, and master text editable. Eyes, you can just edit your own text. Shine, you can change more attractive. I hope this data is useful for you. Kindly subscribe me. Take care. Allah Hafiz.